How to deposit money from your bank account to Binance, full guide for beginners. To deposit money from your bank account to Binance, simply open up the Binance app, tap on the wallet tab from the bottom right. Now over here what you can do is you can see deposit option. So you can go to this deposit option, and here you can see all of these options, but you can go to this USD option right here. Then once you go to that USD option, you can select the currency that you want to add, right? So here I will just select, let's say I want to just select USD. I'll just search for USD and add it. So once you've done that, what you have to do from here is you have to select your bank. So you can say deposit with card or Visa card. That's perfectly your phone. It's an instant arrival. But with the bank transfer, you will need 0 to 2 business days. So you can just click on the continue button to do so. Other way you can do this is you can do this manually while trying to buy a crypto. So when you go to the buy option, you can actually buy with USD by clicking this option and enter the amount that you want to buy. And here you can see in the payment section pay with, but you can in this pay with section you can select Visa, Mastercard that is associated with your bank to pay for it. And this way you can deposit money from your bank account to Binance. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.